my name is Benixel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix audio problems when it comes to Premiere Pro. So I was not planning on posting this at all, because what I want to do is gaming, and this does not even relate to my channel or anything that I want to do for YouTube. But it's been a struggle for me for the past 3 days, so if this could help someone else out, then I definitely don't mind posting this. But basically the problem is I'm trying to separate my audio with different tracks and separate them. But by doing that, it caused problems where either the audio doesn't play at all or one track plays when it comes. I mean, in Premiere Pro, the audio plays perfectly fine. Like, you can hear both tracks, but when it comes to exportation, you can only hear like one file or no file. So it's very weird, and I found a solution to it. So I will show you guys really quick an example of the problem. This right here. If you can see my mouth, like, you can hear the game audio, but you can't hear my microphone at all. And I tried looking up solutions and everything, but everybody, all they'll do is they'll say like, yeah, you can do MOV. What MOV is like 60 gigabytes, and I have terrible internet, so I cannot do that. And then they talked about encoding like constantly, and encoding, it lowers the quality, so I'm like, no, there has to be a better solution. So it's very simple. All you have to do is you go here to File, and then you go to Export Media, and then what I did, I already had the preset set up, but I do H.264. I do that for my quality, 20-bit rate and everything. But all I did was I went to, where's my thing? There's my thing. I went to down here in audio. Sorry about that. All I did was I changed it to 5.1, and that worked for me. That's all you have to do. No exportation, no changing the file type to 60 gigabytes. That's it. Because it was on stereo, and all I did was change it to 5.1. And I actually have the, well, I'll go ahead and export it now, so that way you guys can see. Keep both. Yeah. But that's all you have to do. You don't have to do any other bullshit or any shenanigans like that. That is literally all you have to do. And if I go to File here, and we go to my video file, which it should be somewhere here. Where is it at? Here it is, right here. Yeah, there we go. And now you can hear my mic. Yeah. Running it. But that's the entire fix. So hopefully if you guys enjoyed this video, or hopefully it did help, I'll go ahead and leave all my settings down as well for how I export, just so that way you guys can see, because it might not be just the 5.1. It might be I did something else in my settings and I have no idea. But I'll go ahead and put that in the description for you guys. But other than that, I really hope this helped, and have a good day, guys. Peace!